Hey everybody, just got home feeding the dogs, and I'm all out of dog food, so I gotta make some food for them. And there's one of the little guys right there licking the bowl because he's starving. No, he's not starving. They actually ate, but I do have to make dog food. So, and we make everything here at the house. We don't buy bags of dog food. So I start off with bone broth. Put one of these in a rice cooker, and then another one of these full of water into the rice cooker, and put in sweet peas and carrots. I'm going to cut the carrots up, and then I'll also take these are chicken breast cutlets. I'll cut those up into little chunks, and I'll put them in the top of the rice cooker when I put all that in. So let me start cutting here, and I'm also putting in lentils and brown rice. So I'll put cup and a half of rice and a cup and a half of lentils in. So, all right, let me get started. So a cup and a half each. So half cup. And 1 cup. And half. And lentils. And we'll put this on. Put down the peas. Just about that many carrots. And I'm just going to chop them a little bit. Chop them, they get a little softer when you cook them. So I got older dogs and they don't have as many teeth as they used to. Come here, Daphne, you want a treat? Daphne. Come here. Just put those right on top. Like that. And now let's cut up some chicken. Just do a couple of them. They're pretty good size. We usually use chicken thighs, but the store I stopped at on the way home didn't have them. Everybody sold chicken thighs. chicken. There we go. This is dog food. So, and they love it. I'm just gonna put the top on here and start the rice cooker, and that's it. Well, it's gonna be a short video, but thanks for watching. And I will put a recipe down in the description below. So subscribe, hit the bell, like the video. I appreciate you. See you later.